Hey guys, been a while. Just gonna grab some product and start ripping. Got some leftovers from my final box card show and whatnot, so I'm gonna rip them. Let's go. See what we get. This is the Signagraph, 100 or less, hand numbered, 2025 con exclusive. There's some people out there selling these for 50 bucks a box for the 100 or less. We're gonna rip them. Got two sitting here, so might as well rip them. See what I get. 45 out of 50. I'd say that's a little better than 100 or less. 45 out of 50 with Mortal. Bang. Nice one. Mortal getting a gut punch from Omni. Blood splatter. Great card. Great card. That's a hit. That's a good hit. Let's go. I'll take that all day long. That is nice. Alright, let's do the other one. My last ones. All the rest have been opened or sold. Let's see what we get. Same thing. 100 or less. $65 out of 75. Robot. Nice. Nice. I don't recall you having a robot. Nice. I'll take it. Very cool. The last two boxes. Had a great show selling boxes for blaster boxes for $15, then giving them another box. A lot of people claim that they have great prices, and then they open up a blaster and sell each pack for $10 and $8. Not Dodge. That's not a deal. But I'm going to rip one since I'm talking about them. We've hit 4 one-of-ones. No one's paid more than $15 a box for their one-of-ones. One paid as little as $7. So, nice to give back, truly give back. And each cards are sleeved and shipped properly, not the whole thing put in a team bag. Again, it bothers me lately that what people claim is good is not good, and it's been bugging me. These are people that spend a lot of money on these cards and making claims that just aren't true, and it bugs me. But it is what it is, so hopefully people will catch on and call them out. So let's see what we get. See if I can get my own one-of-one. It's nice to give other people one-of-ones. Be nice if I hit one. I'm down to my last about 80 boxes that I have of these. Cecil. Flaxens with Omni. Getting his head pounded in. Invincible. And nice. Hollow Blue. Muller Twin. Let's go. Donald. I love these blaster boxes. Robot, Explode, Immortal, and another blue. Titan. I'll take it. Blues are cool. Cecil again. And another blue, it looks like. Omni. The Maulers. And, oh no, silver. Parallel. Kaiju. Kaiju. Oh, got an oval. Amber. Omni. Oh, I got a cool oval. Invincible. Watch this. Bang. Bebop. That's a wicked one. That's a wicked oval. You never know what you're going to get in these blasters. Get an issue 1. Tether Tyrant. Wouldn't that be epic? Omni. Invincible. Mr. Immortal again. And Mr. Omni with the big gun. Nice. Flaxens and another oval. Adam Eve. I love the ovals. Shrinking Ray. I got a bunch of uncut sheets with ovals. Rexplode on the oval. They're so cool. That feels like the relic. We'll open that one last. Rex and Amanda. Monster Girl. Omni and Battle Beast. Let's go. And our final pack of the blaster box. Dirty Debbie. Oh, I got a blood splatter. I got a blood splatter Invincible coming. These boxes are fire, guys. And for what I saw them for, look at that. A blood splatter duel of 2 main characters. Invinci and Adam Eve. What a wicked relic from a blaster. Get those sleeved up and put away. I just sleeved about 5,000 individual cards yesterday and today. Finally got them all done. Now I just got to organize them. That was so much work. I'm glad I did. I'm going to open another one. Why not? I'm going to open another one. I feel like opening it. I feel like opening another blaster, so I'm going to do it. Yeah, I've hit, David hit a Isotope 101. And let's see, what were some of the other ones? Lil hit Quad Signapatch. It was epic just last week. Out of a lot of blasters, all 101s. Very, very awesome. Wilkes hit a 101. Amanda. Omni, and Samantha on the pop art. Nice. Here's a cool pop art. 1 of 1. Pretty cool one. Mr. Omni. Pretty epic. Magmaniac. Seismic, Adam Eve, and Shrinking Ray. Shrinking Ray. Yeah, I just felt like ripping today. Get some Omni. Curse. The Immortal. Shrinking Ray again, and the Mauler Twin. Let's go. Wouldn't mind hitting a nuke. That'd be fun. Mr. Allen. Is that an oval? Nope. Rexplode, Duplicate, and a Mauler. And the Parallel. Let's go. 4 to go. Got so many packs in these blasters. They're so much fun. Machine Head, I got a blood splatter. Kaiju, I got a blood splatter. Muller twins, and look at that. A quad Sinopatch. Nice. Or Signagraph, sorry. Nice. That's a beautiful card. That's a good hit. Any blood splatter is a good hit. Rare. Furnace. Shrinking Ray. Duplicate. And Monster Girl on the pop art. Nice. Let's go. Samantha. Invincible. Mark. And Adam Eve. This is my relic. Yep, here's my relic. Dirty Debbie. Mr. Omni on fire. Duplicate, and bang. Machine Head. Machine Head. Nice. Alright guys. Well, you can check out all my platforms. My website, DodgeZen.com. My eBay, DodgeZen. Look me up on Whatnot. Some great shows. Not sure if I'll be doing box cards anymore, but I'll have thousands of single cards one day. Probably going to move on to coins. We'll see. I'm working on organizing my my cards. And while we're on, let's do a pretty special personal favorite. Let's do one. One relic. One pack. My last one I hit on my Whatnot show was a Redemption. And these are from the old 50th anniversary. So these were a couple years ago or more. So the Redemption expired, but Keepsake is sending me the one of the new boxes. And if you're not familiar with those, here's what they look like. Here's the new boxes, 85th anniversary. And here's the chase that everyone chasing. One just sold for $900. And this is the Alpha out of 75. This is 1 out of 75. So this is the Alpha. So they're sending me a box to replace the Redemption. That was nice of them. I appreciate that. So let's go. These are always dual sealed with the plastic and with the sticker. These come in a lighted case. I have 1-of-1 boxes. Probably one of the only ones to have any sealed boxes left of the 1-of-1s. I have them in my Whatnot store. They're not cheap. I have some of the last ones still sealed. Most people open them up to see what you get, but I have both the relic, one relic. They come with a stand. But the 1-of-1s are getting extremely rare. Oh, look at that. Card number 1. Card number 1. That's cool. That's a cool hit. Let's see what I get. You like these. And it's gold. So I had a numbered card number 1 and a green. We might have a fire. We might have a fire relic in here, guys. Here's Bruce. Look at that. We got 2 number cards out of our pack. And look at this. 112 out of 150. My favorite green. And look at this beautiful card. 41 out of 50. And look at that. Isn't that epic? Isn't that epic? Alright. Now I'm excited. Come on. Let's see what I get. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, look at that, a jumbo. A jumbo solid black. Look at that. 95 out of 99. That's a cool jumbo. Solid black. I don't know if I have one like that. That's pretty crazy. Must be this. That's pretty cool. Solid black. Okay, I'll take it. I'm gonna get these in sleeves. These are increasingly rare as the years go by, and getting more and more popular as the new editions come out. So hope you enjoyed that. That's some pretty epic hits. Like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel to see all my, I have over 200 videos of breaking everything from a samurai sword to Pope John Paul cards. So you'll see everything broke from whole cases to single card packs. So check it out. And we ended with Bruce with a jumbo. I'll take it. Alright guys, until we meet again, I hope you thrive.